Dead. Drop.
So I only be a meat alone you eat.
Me eat spaghetti too.
Mm-hmm.
Wagwan my peeps. We're at it again. New adventure. Yeah. Guys, today we are gonna do some cooking, you know. We are trying a different style of bird. Well, we just come up with the idea. We don't know how it go work out or anything like that because we never really tried before. But we're gonna try something new today with the bird them. But we basically go bait them, but in a one different way. So, guys, go and bless up on yourself, you know, and go and stay tuned. If you see that one here, don't laugh after we. We don't want to laugh after we. Yeah, man. So, just stay tuned and watch what I go on. So, we have some. You remember from the previous video where we did get the crab them and the bird them and the pan duck. First, we are gonna try it, guys. So, I can see how it turn out, no? Yeah, man. Dead. Drop. Can eat up. You get where one time, you not get where two time.
Shooter. Shooter.
Ooh. Yeah, man. He chopping a tree.
So guys, as you know see it, me miss the first shot, but it go about this close against his head. Bam! And then he fly up on a different limb. Shouldn't give me a second chance.
Guys, Stretch hurt himself this morning.
Yeah, me I get some board, guys, and some sticks.
Some sticks.
And he,
some wood Stretch. We are Jamaican.
Some sticks. Me get some sticks.
And he would juke him in the face, guys.
And the stick, the lumber, create me, guys. You see me?
Oh God.
Yes.
We feel away when we see it, you know.
But that's how you go, guys, you know. We have one more bird on the plate.
One more Woody the woodpecker. Drop. Somebody come down. Drop, guys. Stretch lick him first, you know, and he get his shot. He get his shot, guys, and he still move up on one other limb. Me say if the first shot miss, the second one nah miss.
Tell you, shooter. Guys, the red substance a leak out of your head.
Yeah.
Right in your head back. Now know where to go.
Another one on the plate, guys.
Shooter.
So guys, we have some vegetable here. We have some cabbage and carrot, some bell pepper, sweet pepper, onion, and some scotch bonnet pepper, scallion and thyme and garlic in this. We have it in this. Now this is some sweet corn, and we are gonna add the sweet corn to this.
Alright, my peeps, so that are the sweet corn. Corn in the veg. We have some crab in the pot here, but we did pre-boil already. So we're going to boil them again and season up the water, you know, guys.
So guys,
mix up the sweet corn.
This is the vegetable that is supposed to stuff the birds.
The birds them already get cleaned up. It's a the duck, guys. The bird. It's not really a duck. It's not a duck. It's a bird. Well, it's a bird, but not a duck bird. You don't know what I mean, guys. Oh, this man. But we are call them duck, you know. Cause from where we grew up, we always hear say them a duck, but them are not duck. Something did upon that, guys. So we don't stuff them here right now with the vegetable,
yeah, guys, and
everything.
I'm gonna add some seasoning to the vegetable too.
Yes. And then we're gonna season up with bird and everything. So now we see the process.
We are gonna slice the chest of the bird them, guys, because as you can see me when they do it already.
Yes, you see that one I slice up. Guys, this is the ball plate I shot 5 times. See one of the wound here, one next one. One catch him in his neck, one catch him here so,
and one catch him
in his belly and in his head. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Seasoning time now, guys. Where them I get seasoned up. Yeah, man. Let's set them over here, so. Season up upon them yet, but I wanna get it. I know, don't know we have a vegetable we seasoned up already. We have a piece of butter here, so. Where we are go put in our file paper with the seasoning inside, guys. So just stay tuned. Yes, guys, so salt of in the bottom, you know. See if I can put a little more in there. Yeah. Eat that, guys. Then put it on the fire. Making go and catch some heat. So guys, that's everything. Seasoned up, you know. Yeah. Back on the pot now, guys. Like red hot, you know. Put in what I put in it. The water start boil, I go season it up too.
guys, so this is just a little sauce to give the bird a nice taste, guys. Alright, I'm gonna put everything in it. It all mix out properly. So it's about time to stuff the birds, guys. Vegetable inside of it. So this is how we're gonna do all of them, guys. We're gonna wrap it again. Alright, so you will see when we're finished, I'm gonna put all of them in the pot.
So guys, the rest of the seasoning, the rest of the vegetable we'll leave. We put it in a separate file paper with the liver and the heart and the gizzard of the bird. So I'm going to fold this in a different file paper. Get all of them nice juice very nice, you know? Yeah. Here we go.
You put butter in there?
Yeah.
Pot kind of little, guys, but we are trying to make everything whole. I'm gonna make that stay for an hour before we check it.
Guys, we add some corn to this, you know, pepper.
Guys, here we go now. Right now, see the crab ready there and the corn. So we are gonna go and eat this while the bird are going to do him thing.
My peeps, one of the brethren, him just come back a while ago with any other friend, but we need to wait for him to take off the pot, my peeps. I mean, I tell you, hungry as strike. I now will wait no more. So, you know how it go. Just deal with a little thing and left him, you know. Yes, my people. This is it. Crab them ready and now we are going to go and dig in and see what can go on, you know. See how it tastes.
What a flavor man with the pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Yes guys, I love pepper bad. Not that if you want me to cook for you, I'm going to put it in there. If you don't want it, I won't put it in there. Or if you want it, I put a little if you can manage it. But I love pepper. Watch him.
Guys, you don't have to know how this is nice. This is true. We did pre-boil the crab them already, and then go boil it over. So you know, say crab flavor kind of in the water with salt, pepper. Oh my, me never know say can't taste good with pepper.
You better know. Look how you go almost cut out your eye.
Man, so guys, when I catch up with fire now, one of this I go get some stick. And just let me lift up my head and I walk. Boom! I could eye in my eye. So John, you don't know. God bless. Well, so big up to everybody, you know. Nicholas, Brother Phil, no I go.
Hernandez.
And to Pierre,
Chris.
Shock Life, Chris. No know yourself, you know.
Junior,
And,
big up yourself,
Papi
Junior.
Show Lifestyle, same way.
Yeah, Papi, big up yourself. Junior, oh God, me not tell no lie, you make me laugh.
Man,
D and G and Sharpman, oh no make me laugh.
me I tell you.
That video man, that one with the when name the God's well.
Yo,
Funny as hell man.
me ain't good on there.
Short man remind me of me and stretch.
Yeah. No short man with par. No coward we coward no peeps. Just careful. Yeah. Eh? Tea.
Ooh. Guys, we are check to see what going on, you know.
Yeah. As you know, see right so guys, we put on a next pot.
We're gonna do
salt
some
and water. We're gonna put some pasta in it, you understand?
spaghetti, guys, spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Pasta, spaghetti, macaroni, same difference, my peeps, don't it?
It is not the same difference.
Macaroni, all of them.
Yes, if you say macaroni, no, that's different.
So guys, we're gonna check on the bird them. See what go on, you know? Yeah man, this is one of the steamed veg.
I can check that one there first now.
Oh yeah.
I can check it first now.
Hold on, I look for one of them. Yeah. Guys, I look for one of the small one them. See what go on.
So where you put it on the sofa?
Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You check it now peeps. Want to see what go on, you know? Yeah. You can see where all the juice did they come out of it.
That's also hot.
If it hot, I tell you it hot your fat. You don't
Bird
know.
in a sound, I know say hard for cooking, but I check it still.
Yo. See what go on my people?
So
Yeah. Take you out of it something there. Guys, I'm checking. Bumpy.
me tell you say nice, it tastes like it as nice. But you have to make sure say it bake properly, you know.
Guys, me just want to know say bake. You understand? Meat looking lovely. Guys, see it, you know?
Only me alone search, nobody say you.
Wonderful!
Yes.
Yo, it's bad, you know? Guys, I have to make Mickey taste piece of this. With little laddie. Veg inside. Yeah, man, see steam veg, guys. Yeah, see what I go on there. Yeah, man. I'll make Mickey taste the light, you know, guys.
Come, me can taste it, so me have to hold it for myself.
Me know.
Pause.
So I go on there, my peeps. How it taste? Deep for me, sister. Deep for me. Bumpy. Yo, me know it's a sweet, you know. You lick up in taste buds them right there now. Me nah ask you. Tell me, I tell you, no sweet. It's sweet, you're fat.
Let me tell you if it's sweet.
So you see what I go on here, peeps. Just
leg,
right,
guys.
You know? Sweet. See what I go on for Mr. Birdie. See what I go on, guys. See it there now. So you say.
Bun me.
So guys, we are going to see if we cook the macaroni them or the spaghetti and then yeah, spaghetti. So we are going to see if we cook the spaghetti them, guys, and then we take off the bird too. You see it? So just stay tuned. Salt and rice and we have to make the bird them bake for about 3 hours straight, and we catch a late on the seaside, guys. No notice what I go on out there, so I make you not see what I go on. No see what I go on, guys. Sunset over there, so. You see how the place look? Nice, you know? Yeah, man, now we're there, so set up with a little cooking spot. Wow. Yeah, man, so we set up a little cooking spot. You don't know Papi there with we? Just bless up the people and Papi. Make them know what I go on.
Sure.
Yeah, man, make them know your name.
I'm Mr. George, my name, you know.
Oh, you mean, man.
Real.
See him, so. Yeah.
Real.
So, guys, Papi always there keep we company more while we come on the seaside, you know? So we have to give thanks to Papi said speed. But, guys, everything almost ready, you know, Mick.
Me not eat yet.
You not eat ya? Alright. You know remember how this did look, guys? No might be no go remember, but she a eat out it. Watch in face. Yeah, man, a YouTube all over the world. You know? The thing ready up, you know, guys. This finish. And the pasta also finished, guys. So I have to share out only one plate, guys, because the phone are dead. And on top of it, Mickey, we just need to just wash up what we have now, guys, and just go home. Because when we're there, so on the seaside, we just come chill out today, guys. You understand? We clap two birds same way, so you know you go. Yeah, man, but we want to see how the food look. So we are going to share out if I even a plate and me and Mickey just shell it down real fast and sweet. You see it? This is the veg that go in. Guys, I'm sorry say the phone are dead, so I don't really have no flash so you can see what I go on. So see what I go on there, guys. This is the finished dish, you know. I'm so sorry say the sun gone down, guys, so you can't really see what I go on, you know. Now, me and Mickey are going to shell down this, guys. But we just want to kind of see what I go on because we don't have no flash on the phone. We come out on the beach side, kind of get like a light on the food, you know. So sorry say phone are dead guys. So you know can't really see. Quality not really clean like that right now, you know. But with no help guys, you know soon get some good quality, so no worry yourself, you know. Yeah man, see what I go on there. Thing good in that. But we just want to see what I go on, you know guys, because the night I come down and we don't have to leave and run us the same way too. Because it's a nice spot in the day guys, but you know around a beach area. So look up on the place, so you look. Yeah man. So you know it's time for remove. Yeah, we time for boogie guys. Here beside me and them see what I go on. Wow.
See that? So easy eat bite off.
Yeah man. How easy it tear off too. Well cooked guys, well cooked.
Taste with this now.
So I only be a meat alone you eat.
Me eat spaghetti too. Guys, go and bless up on yourself, you know. One love every time, you know, heart of love. Respect to everybody. All our supporters, all our person, them we just come big up and respect to everybody. Peace out to everybody right now. I'm going to go and enjoy this.